I am MD Zahid. I am from Bangladesh. I am working in Singapore since 5 years. I am working as a safety professional last 3 years. So when I attend this safety coordinator course, that time actually during the course I learned many things. But last 2 years there is some gap. Maybe sometime I do supervisory job also. But last 1.5 years I am performing as a safety coordinator job. So many things I forget during the work. So when I when I attend the e-learning course, I learn many things. I can remember many things from the previous course when I attend the safety coordinator course. So it's really good for me, good for my work, good for my company. When I go and in my side, and these are the things will be very helpful for me to perform my job. Okay, so after the e-learning, when I come in class, I learn more thing from the trainer, because based on my understanding, the trainer is very experienced. He explained to us all the unknown things, those things I don't know. Many things he explained to us. So this all the thing is very effective for my job current role as a safety coordinator should be known. So these are the things is very helpful for me. Hopefully it will be good for our company and for me for do my job in future. Okay, so during the course I learned especially the peer assessment. It's really new for me, but also it's effective. We discuss again each another team. Then after that we give some feedback. They also give some feedback to me, our team. So it's really good for the learn. In person workshop really is good for the learning situation. So everything considered here I coming in Eversafe. Everything considered I can say everything is good. Thank you.